Hello folks, you've heard of Kay's Cooking, but have you heard of chaos in the kitchen? What is chaos in the kitchen, you might ask? Well, I'm your host, Rachel, and I, as you could tell by the horribly cut off video, am in a public area, Waters Residence Hall, and we're gonna be making some chaos. Today we are following Kay's spaghetti bolognese recipe. Since I'm a college student, this ramen bowl is the only bowl I have. We're gonna be taking this Trader Joe's butcher shop meat and opening up that package and putting it into the bowl. Like so. Get in there. Perfect, no struggle at all. All right, next up, we're gonna be cracking our eggs in there. I'm so cool. And adding in our seasonings of salt. That's not enough. Pepper. And garlic salt. Not because I'm white, but because I'm a college student, that's all I have. And then we mix. Don't worry, I washed my hands. I washed my hands again. Now, we're gonna take our spaghetti. Wow, I'm so strong. And I'm just gonna take a good handful. Perfect. We're gonna grab a good chunk of the meat and simply wrap it around in like a oh, it doesn't fit. That's okay. So I ran out of phone storage for a second there, so the video cut off short. I was talking to a nice resident in here about what I'm doing while I was finishing those up. It looks like I must not have made the noodles like thick enough, the bunches, because there's still a lot left in this package here. But yeah, so I watched the video once of how she did it, and I don't really remember what the oven was at, but 350 sounds okay. Yeah, so you're gonna not stay there. So you're staying on the bowl that is still full of raw meat bits. That's okay. We're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in this oven. Oh, the oven is broken. That's okay. We're gonna put it in for 20 minutes. Guys, I came back to my room to grab some dishes, grab some homework to do while all that's in the oven, and guess what I realized? I hope you get something cool. I have basil, so would it be more chaotic to follow the terrible recipe or to add basil? Basil's delicious, so I'm gonna add it. That's such a good noise. Alrighty, she is looking dangerously close to setting on fire. So we're gonna take our wonderful pasta sauce and, oh, she's making noise. Ooh, I hope I don't get this on me. Okay. Then we're gonna take our, please do not come in here, our wonderful onions that are super stuck together. You stay. I'm just gonna spread those out evenly. Beautiful. And now we're just going to throw the rest of the sauce on there and get the noodles evenly coated with the sauce. Get in there. We're going to put it back in for another 30 minutes. While we patiently wait for that to be done, I want to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Carly, for giving me the sauce and also picking up all my groceries for me today. Also, do you like my outfit? So nice. Go Badgers, except you sucked today. Take the L. Did I watch the game? No. I took a nap on a hardwood floor, but I'm a Badger, so I'm required to say that. Alrighty, she is done. She is gorge. I'm going to actually cover her with aluminum foil, so maybe she won't actually turn out crunchy because she'll get some time to. So this is me looking absolutely insane. Here we are on the rooftop.
Yeah.
Getting ready to have a wonderful meal.
Yeah. Yummy, yummy.
This is part of our wonderful meal. You want to reveal it?
No way. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah. She made it.
Do they take
And
a video?
now we have to try it.
Are you taking a video?
Yes.
You have to act like the sun needs it.
Yeah. Also, you have to hurry up because my phone's running out of storage. How is it?
Terrible. Not cooked all the way, too.